My name is Juliana, and welcome to Vibes with Juliana YouTube channel. To all returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. And to those that haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I go live. All right, drop a video. So anyway, guys, I'm currently trying to working on my double H. So I gotta be going live. Gotta be doing all 9 yard until my channel get monetized. But to persons who recently subscribed to my channel, come here. Come to the front of the line. Make I say much love and respect to you all. For everyone who take the time out for subscribe to my channel, to everyone who take the time out for watch the live stream them after I finish the live stream because you didn't catch it the first time. Like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. And to everyone who shared the video out, I share out my live stream and so forth, I want to say much love and respect to you all. Hats off to you. But anyway, come here to the front of the line. You see an eagle? Don't have to fight back. An eagle. Alright, I was watching this story. Same place here on YouTube. And you know the only bird will try to attack an eagle are the blackbird. The only bird that will go sit on the eagle back and peck the eagle is the blackbird, right? And when the eagle don't pay the blackbird any mind, you know what the eagle do? The eagle soar higher, higher, because the higher the eagle go, he knows that the blackbird cannot go that high because guess what? The hair get thinner, so it's harder for the bird to breathe properly. But the eagle can manage that altitude that is going. The blackbird cannot manage that altitude. So here we are. And I'm telling us I'm always talking a parable. It's not everybody can go to the level that God is taking you to. God will take you upon some level where a person who not supposed to be on the same path as you cannot go to that altitude. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Like up the stream, guys, as you enter. It's not everyone can fly to that altitude. So here what gonna happen now. Yes, them are gonna bicker, them are gonna talk all sort of things. They want to come on the same altitude that you're going on. But hear what God said. It's not your time. And sometimes God have to cause some problem for me telling you saying, let me tell you something. Yes, when God want to move you from out of some place, God have to make some things happen because God have place you in a different area where He know that you will be blessed. So God see you as an eagle, not as a blackbird. God see you as an eagle and He wants to take you to a higher level. But in camp, God not going to bless you among some people. So God have to cause a separation in the camp. Cause let me tell you something, just like with Jesus, you think Jesus never did know say He was gonna get betrayed? He knowed. from the get-go. So sometimes you see some Judas and you know them are Judas. But you're not too quick for expose a Judas, you know. Because let me tell you something. Everybody has their purpose in life. You see, even the same Judas having purpose. God knows him did a Judas, you know. And God knows that I did for him mission and something. So you see, sometimes we have some friend in our life and we have some welcome. I don't know what that you just type, but it and retract. Welcome, boss gaming. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Like up the stream, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. But God know that you have some Judas amongst you, you know, and I'm sure you that. I'm sure you know because there are always signs that a person is a Judas, you know. But because you see we so gravitated to people, we lose sight. But I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you something. I have an idea because I'm not gonna come make you spoil up my stream. I'm here talking about something positive, and you're gonna come about. God help me with some of these people because yeah, some of them people are devil, you know. Some of them people are devil himself. So anyway, I'm not gonna get me distracted. You see, I seem to met about distraction yesterday, you know. Sometimes you go on some part, no make nobody distract you because you're going and the level gotta bring you. Satan I come and come distract you. Shelly, welcome, welcome. Thank you for being here. And let me tell you something. Learn to know your surrounding. Be familiar with your surroundings. Don't play a blind eye. Always have your eye open. Sometimes even when you say you're a personal friend, even when you know say you're a personal family member and something, you have to have your eye open because let me tell you something. It's not everybody wants to see the best for you. And people will pretend. Sometimes you have to just hold on your head, you know, and just make it look like say you're not even look. But you have to look through your side eye. Turn your eye sideways and look. That's what them do. Because sometimes, you know, if we ever do that, you know, we see some people push up their mouth off a we, you know, we see some people skin up their face off a we, you know, because they are not genuine. You have some people, you know, they know that, all right. For instance, me have a link and welcome, welcome, real pretty. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Then no say no. You have a link. But them not really them know say you then have to go through, you know. To get to the other person what them really want, truly want link with. So here one them gonna try. Hi, how are you doing? Them gonna try everything to be on the good side with you. Them gonna try everything for nice you up because here what you have something that they want. So them are gonna do everything by all powers to get that link there where you have. I just when them get that link there, here what? Then I just say, alright, but they humble with the link with them the linkage with them getting up and so forth. Then I humble with you know. Them just want know say here what. Alright, I get that link here. A time for me push out that person here because but the only person I may realize say that person here we go too high. Me no want him go too high. Me go ensure that I block him at every entrance. So you see the people them that's why I sound have to know who on carry in a circle, because you will carry somebody in your circle and you introduce the person to somebody, and you believe that the person where you introduce is your friend. You introduce him to your another friend because you say, all right, maybe two and come from the same place, so you used to eat out of the same plate or something, but you have a good intention towards the person, but they don't have a good intention towards you. So that's why I say you have to be careful, in life. You have to be careful, because let me tell you something. People pretend so well. I say because people pretend so well, they know that, all right, these are the thing we want, and these are the thing we go for. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. And then thank you for the likes. So them know say, all right, this is what the person are up to. This is what I want and something. Them are gonna try every means and way to push you out, because they want the spotlight. They want all spotlight for your shine on them. They don't want you forget no farmer highlight. So they want everything to be they want the world to revolve around them alone. See, that's why I'm saying, me, it's not that I don't want to do collabs with any other content creator, but I am so afraid, because every day that you turn your phone on and you come on social media, there's another content creator trying to bring down another content creator. And here what, we are all Jamaicans, and we are all content creators. I don't know why we want to push a next man out just to push in ourselves. And it looks so bad, because everywhere you go on social media, and people are so gravitated to the gossip. So you, the person that is coming here talking something positive, people not gonna listen to your positivity, because they are so gravitated to the gossip. They want to hear the gossip. The gossip is what, I don't know if I motivate them or whatever it is, or they just feel happy to see a next person down. I don't know how to live, I don't know how to sleep. I don't know how you do it, but there's no way on earth I would feel good. So you see, your channel is not just a channel. Your channel is a brand. Welcome, Proud Mixed Child. Thank you so much for being here. You see, your channel is a brand. So you have to be careful. Good morning, bro. You have to be careful how you represent your brand. Because guess what? If you stand up your brand, you think that nobody gonna want to work along with you. Nobody not gonna want to know you. Because here what? Your brand mix up in a all sort of pasa, your name in a this, your name in a that. So people not gonna want to work with you. People are gonna want to stay far from you, because here what, they don't want when you do something that it gonna have an effect on the next person channel or the next person brand. Cause me always a telling us saying this platform that I am on, this channel is not just a channel, it's a brand. And I have to ensure that I represent my brand real good. That's the reason why there are certain type of topics that used to be on my channel. I remove every single one of them, because I say to myself that I don't want to associate myself with a certain type of things, especially to the way, oh, I want to bring my channel. I want my channel stay positive. I want my channel to stay on the right path. Well, I know me can't read it from the phone in us, but me have one monitor where me use monitor my chat. So I'm ready for you, so I can't. Me don't want my eyesight go down. All right, if a brand is affected, it can also hurt your image. Yes, bro. Somebody you endorse to represent you, if they get in problem, the feedback is negative, then that's a reflection on you too. Yes, that's what I'm saying now. You have to be careful who you associate yourself with, because you see, when you go mix up with the wrong type of people, them, it will affect you too. That's that's why I choose to represent myself, you see. And this is one of the reasons why too, I'm not to rush figure say me gonna mix my channel with the other people, because persons out there want to do collaboration with me. But here what? Honestly, I don't think if me and you do in the same niche, it'll go work for me. Cause it don't make no sense me go try to do something that in my niche, and you're not doing the same thing that represent my channel. So two make no sense me go do no collabs unless we are both doing same things. If our channel I do the same thing, no problem. But me now, me take up my enough self, me gonna do a collaboration with you. Me know say, for instance, my channel is not in entertainment. And me gonna do a entertainment something. What that I gonna do? That not benefit my channel, no, you not gonna do my channel, not at all. You truly can't trust one to protect your brand, but everything is a risk regarding doing business intention and um, unpredictable. You never know which was things to go into. So true. But let me tell you something. I rather to take my little time and go and grow than try for running a fast lane, because you see you're running a fast lane, the fast lane I go home go drop you back right back. But I'm gonna tell you something. And every opportunity that you see if you run go gravitate to, sometimes it's an opportunity. Make it pass and go on. Make the opportunity pass and go on. Because guess what? You run gone in a one little fast lane now. You know say you can't keep up with that speed there. And you want go in a fast lane. You don't have nothing to be in a fast lane. But because you want then with the little eggs up self, you put yourself in a situation where you can't even get yourself back out. Um, Plus you don't want to feud with anyone, any other brand. Think of how many influence have beef with another. Well said, bro. Well said. So that's why I'm trying to keep my channel as squeaky clean as possible. Remember, me used to do a certain type of content on my main channel, Vibes with Sexy Juliana, right? And I clean off them from off even this channel. When we used to react to people, things, and all of these things, I clean them off because I don't want my channel in that space there. I don't want it. Yes, you can make money from those type of content, but I rather know that I come here, I'm do a live stream, I may talk with my people them, and we're having our vibes. Who want to come, who want to stay. But I always see myself as a positive person, never a person who gonna troll another person. The best success is a quiet one. I like this idea because everyone doesn't need to know how well someone else is doing. The less you advertise personally, the more grounded your life is. Well said. Because, the other day I was saying to my sister that I'm not going to be posting. things that I'm doing, because sometimes you post some things, and it's like the devil just seems to attack what you're doing. So nothing. I remember the other day when I was doing my house, right? I was posting all of that. I was doing everything. I said to myself, I'm not gonna do none of those things again. The least people will see, the less people see, the better it is. Sometimes you have to just surprise some people. You have to just wait until you finish some things before you even tell it. Let me tell you something. Sometimes not even the person that you're in a relationship with, that is not everything you should tell them to. Sometimes you have to just wait until you're done, you finish, do what you do, you talk about it. Because sometimes even them don't want to see something good for you. Don't share your vision with anyone, because they can take everything you said, claim it, and turn it into their reality and claim it was their own. So true. Number one, limit what and who you share it with. So true. That's why I'm gonna share not with I'm gonna share not with nobody again. Not even my family member I don't share my business with. Not even my friend them when I have few friends. I met her say, I'm not share my personal life no more with nobody at all. But the man and papa both. Because sometimes you have an idea, and the idea is so good, and, and you want to do it. And by the time you look somebody run ahead with the idea, because I remember when I had the first channel, right? Which was Juliana Sewell Vlog, and I changed it to Vibes with Sexy Juliana. Over on that channel, I wanted was to create like a mini movie. And I was on a live stream, and I was talking about the whole idea and everything, giving full details on what I want to do. Hey, and few months afterwards, I see somebody do the same idea, the same God Almighty idea that I had planned for them for my channel. They did a mini movie out of it. I'ma laugh to myself. I'ma say, me, I will never ever. Cause sometimes the people are not coming on your live stream, Sometimes they do come on your live stream. And they will say one and two something. And hear them say about nothing, you think they gone. That time then they and them listen every details. And then it's like them sit down with them pen and paper and decide to hear what the idea so interesting. Me I go do the idea, yeah. I'm gonna tell you, so the people them create a movie. They created a movie from the idea and turn it in a film one. I met it with a John was star. So you see, me learn my lesson. Yes, so whatever ideas I have, me keep it up here. So make no sense you come past social media, come talk about every plan we you have, because you come and you talk about the plans that you have, and you may not have the money if you start it off right away, but it's an idea that you have. You just want the people and the right type of people for the around your way can able to push the idea. I'm gonna tell you say, I'm to Megan can no plans that I have. I'm not gonna come talk it, and nothing that I'm doing personally in my life, I'm not gonna come talk it either. As far as I have gotten in this grind, I will never left my supporters behind, because my channel quietly took off. I believe those who want to ride along are more than welcome to be always lose a few. Yeah, you're gonna lose a few along the journey, but the few way you lose, nobody worry about the few way you lose along the way, and sometimes people around us were never for us anyways, and this isn't this isn't realized until later on. So true. That's why I always start saying, and everybody ways to come around us are really for us. Some them everybody has a motive. Everybody has a motive. So you see, them have the motive and they see something, It's just like a woman, When me go use a woman because women are more likely to do stuff like this. We know say, but I want a brother there, But so that brother there can provide for me. That brother there can open doors for me. Enforce himself to like that brother there, Cause him know deep down in himself from get going, never like that brother there, And him got she convinced herself so much, So she will do anyway because she in a little situation where she cannot help herself. So she forced herself for like the person. But you see, one time, let me tell you something. Everything we're in a dark, I go come to light. Because no matter how much a person tell us to them, I pretend with you, it have to come to light. You ever wonder to yourself if someone was around but not trying to get something from you but weren't for your cause, then what the hell were they around for? They were just around to either keep company or they were just they're looking something, but then you know, office safe, straightforward. Let me tell you something. People in a situation and they know that you're a hard, for instance, they know that you're a hardworking person, right? They're not able to maintain a certain bills. They're not able to maintain a certain lifestyle, and they want to be on the fast lane. For example, they know that, all right. So you have a family member. They know you have a family member overseas who will help you and so forth. Them not really see you as for them really ideal partner, But here what they want the help, so them are gonna stick around you until they can help themselves better. Most of the people from your original channel concept have gone on a great height, and some have just left YT, but those that blew up don't know who they struggled with anymore. That's how it is. That's how it goes. So true. So true. I only see Cheyenne and Deflon, but the rest are gone. I don't know what the rest in there now. The rest then gone. I don't know. Come not even see the rest them on TikTok either, So I don't know what other channels then might I do. Or maybe some of them just abandon the channel where them they have and just create a new one and just take on to a new part. Maybe that them do. I don't know, but some of them I don't see them. It's like they're lost. They're forgotten. But it's part of life, Sometimes, and everybody where you start off with, you're gonna end with. Sometimes in life, you start off with a person, or you start off with a group, with a small group, and then you develop from the small group to a medium-sized group. Then you develop to a larger group. So that's just how life moved by stage. So now everybody gonna come that we start with, we are going to finish with, because God is knows that back then when I was doing YouTube like every single minute, I used to have more persons on my channel, people that are on both channels and stuff like that. And look, I barely have 5 people in my chat. God bless. Sometimes when you will see I want 7 or I want 15. The other day I was so shocked. I was doing a live stream, I see 15. Me, I said, wow. The taste of success often is prone to blow people head up, and once they get a feel get a feel of popularity, they either treat you like they don't know you anymore, or trust you like they never know you. So true. I tell you something. Yeah, she, especially some of these Jamaicans. I'm not gonna say Jamaican because most of the person that was on my platform, most of them were Jamaican. And it's when time they get a little highlight, then I better come back on your channel. People used to sit on your channel. I do a live stream, and then that day in the live stream, because you know how much of people were blow up on YouTube, where me used to day in the live stream for hours. Me sit down in the live stream with them, and we did there, me we share them up on my community and something. And when me look, them blow up, and them not come back on my live stream no more. Not at all. Sorry guys. Um One of the worst thing anyone can do is get their chance up, get their change up, and then change up on those one that didn't change on them. So true, but let me tell you something, bro. You see, life is a cycle. Life is a cycle here. So we have to expect the unexpected. Expect everything from people. They are human. So you see, because I'm a human, so them gonna act in a them true nature. The amount of people me start off with, I don't even see them. Money doesn't change people. It just reveal who they are. They have always been, and the only time money does change is when it change hands. So true, bro. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Let me highlight your name under the radar. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. I would really appreciate it. Let me tell you something. People overall, people change like green lizard. So a person might in your stream right about now and say I have 1,000 subscriber, and it just by chance get a video. You're there supporting them, Every one of them video then do, any one of them live stream then do, you're there with them. And then get the opportunity where they get a highlight, maybe from a bigger vlogger, or somebody just come across them video and just decides that they're gonna blow it up for them as something. And you see what happened? Let me tell you what happened. Them don't know you again, because you're in the same class as them. They forget say, them you used to share them out on your platform, you used to do this for them, you used to help. You know what people may help run all them playlists? You know how much people I run their playlist under the radar? Why you type that? You know how much people may help run them playlist and something. And when me forget help, me not see them and all of these things. So me tell people say me expect everything from people overall. I expect every God Almighty thing from people. Because people are just not genuine. Um, um, Let me tell you something. Don't ask people for no information about, no idea about channel or something. But not ask people for no idea. Cause you know why? Sometimes you ask people for some idea or something, and them know it, but they don't want help you none at all. They don't want help you none at all. I remember one time me I try to monetize my channel, right? And me I ask for assistance, Everybody when me ask, them no know. They don't know. So you see what me do? Me just hold me one lane. Mga kanggak, thank you for being here. Well, is jerk chicken without jerk. Is jerk chicken without jerk. I mean, is jerk chicken with the chicken. Me not understand what you try say now. Pass the Bob Marley. Anyway, I tell you something. I remember, as me that say, when me go sign up for monetization, there was a few person that me ask, as Juliana, why don't you assess the matter? Saying do are mad. Bro, sometimes I alright, you see the more people do figuring, sometimes it better for you to, But you what happen now. Alright. Sometimes some people come in on your live stream and if you first see a who will come in on your live stream and I type Shaggy, or some people you call friend make up some fake account and come and decide say here what because for them life so messed up, they will come and want type foolishness in your live stream. If you say them a try if I don't know what them a try because one thing and two things are certain. Anything where anybody thinks that they might do, they're doing it to themselves because the more they might interact in my live stream and so and the more they might push my channel out because the more a person interact. But one thing for sure and two things for certain. Yeah, you have some people who are crosses. You have some people who are crosses and you have some yo can't respond to one without a face, but only ghost I know is Casper. Exactly because my go over figure see if me know the person, I go over upon the channel, upon the name, and there's no backside or something there. No picture no up nor nothing at all. Me just allow them if you go and type whatever type and sitting. Just allow them for do what they want to do. Because why? I just and then something I tell us say, you see once you're being a content creator, you're gonna find there's something you're happen. You understand? We can't escape from it. I don't tell nobody how to run their channel, but scroll or cancer. Plain and simple. Yes. That's what I tell us, You see, sometimes, and everybody introduced to your channel. Cause me guarantee you, say, that person that don't know me, or maybe them see me channel, somebody gonna post me, somebody gonna share out my channel on them platform, and because they share it up on them platform, them see it and decide so them want to come mess up my stream. That's why I can't tell when last me ask people to share out my platform. I better people just find me by themselves. Cause look now, I'll come and type be a foolishness in my stream. No, I never see them in your chat. Remember one time, when I look at how much of them when I black from my channel. As me say sometimes, if you see a who, I come and text on something in your live stream. Sometimes I have some people you know, sometimes I have some people where you all help. Anyway, every channel has a potential when it's productive, but every channel is not a promised success, no matter how hard the creator work. True, so true. I see when some of them come to and they must spam all your live stream, they must spam your stream and there's something there. It affect your channel. It does affect your channel. That's why I'm not introduce my channel to. I don't try to introduce my channel to people again. Because sometimes you put some people on your channel, them are cancer. Them are cancer and them are crosses. So when they come on your channel, one thing they come to do. Sorry. And have to destroy your platform. So through that now, I'm not try to introduce nobody to my channel. Many have left YT for TikTok and are doing greater over there, but then again, TikTok isn't for everybody neither. Hey, TikTok. Hey, let me tell you something. You see with TikTok, yeah, eh? That's why people play a drum. Mm-hmm. You see with TikTok, bro, let me tell you something. You have to play with a big ranker to kind of make it on TikTok. If you not play with a big ranker and something, you take long for bust too. You will there and you do a content, and when you look, your content not go not away. Your content not go nowhere at all. And but one thing I'm sure and two things I'm certain, because I have a lot of views, followers over on TikTok. Me have about 7,000 hard followers on TikTok. And God bless when I do one video, we get 7,000 views. God bless. So it's not really easy over on TikTok either. It's not easy. So it kind of hard too. But um, one thing, our social media platform is a bunch of weirdos. Trust me, because let me tell you something. You think me find weirdo yet while would I come in on my live stream and type all in foolishness? You want book them over TikTok, over Instagram, then they too, then over Facebook, all like social media platform them. All of the social media platform, you find some weirdo. You find some people where if you not stand strong, you just a chippy BC them. Yeah, chippy BC them. I just says there. Go on there, Michael. Mm. Like I said, success on this app is bittersweet because if you go viral and blow up, that's that can attract the wrong attention that you don't want. Everybody doesn't want to be noticed. So true. That's true. But I tell you say, even sometimes you're there on YouTube and you do a live stream and people share out your page and something and they share it too. And they have some wrong crowd we go get it and decide to hear what them are gonna cause problem for your page. So my water come hold on. Oh, I'm done. No. Genie, again, lick down the dog, yes, see? Sorry about that. especially people who live around you, and and that's worse because some people who live around you, around others, yeah, yeah, that dog there, you need to do something about that dog there. So true, bro.
Hmm?
The dog, you need to do something about him.
The dog
Yeah.
who rent
Mm-hmm.
and come in the house.
If you come in here, you can't come in here. So, see when me have the flower spot out there, I drink out the water out there.
What Jesus, Mister? I rent up this water and can do that. Don't come up in here.
You turn around and back.
I don't come up in here.
Around then turn when you see me.
No, no.
Ever tell somebody about your white and they look at you. Yeah. Me tell people about my channel and all they look at something, it wasn't pleasant. So me stop tell people about my channel. Me make them come find out for themselves. Make them find out for themselves. Themselves. Me not tell them about my channel again because a lot of these people, they want to start a social media platform, but them afraid, but they not have the courage and the strength like when me would have, are bold enough. If you can say, all right, then me come sit down in front of one camera, no matter how me look or how me dress and something, them can't do that. But them hate the fact say you are doing YouTube and you have so much followers and something, then hate that. Hate run deep on social media and thought it's good people on here. It's more rotten apples than people who are decent. True. Bro, me just a take one step at a time. Me used to say me want my channel reach XYZ. Me, I'm going slowly but surely. Me I move like one like a turtle right about now. Right about now, me don't know is with my channels. Just a take me little time. Who want to come to my platform, come to my platform. And who don't want to come, I just saw. Hmm. Thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna go ahead and end the live stream right about now. Even though I'm not catch an hour yet, I'm gonna end the live stream. So I definitely see you around. And thank you so much for your support.